Let's see how to install Hyper-V in Windows 10 machine. There are 3 tasks we have for complete the Hyper-V installation. 1. How to enable Hyper-V management tools in programs and features. 2. How to enable the virtualization in BIOS setup. 3. How to enable Hyper-V platform in programs and features. On Windows search bar, type and click on appwiz.cpl for open the programs and features wizard. Click here on turn Windows features on or off. Here we have to enable Hyper-V, Hyper-V management tools, Hyper-V GUI management tools, and Hyper-V module for Windows PowerShell. Then enable Hyper-V platform and Hyper-V services. Also, we need to enable Hyper-V hypervisor, but the option is currently disabled. To activate this option, we first go to the system BIOS and enable the virtualization settings. Now click OK on this wizard. Windows features searching for required files for Hyper-V installation. Windows features applying changes for Hyper-V installation. Once this process completed, click on Restart Now. Reboot the system and go to BIOS setup for enable virtualization options. On BIOS, go to Advanced. Enable those options. 1. Virtualization technology. 2. Virtualization technology for directed I/O. Now again go to Program and Features. Click on Turn Windows features on or off. After the BIOS settings, we can able to enable the Hyper-V hypervisor. Then click on OK. Windows features searching for required files for Hyper-V installation. Windows features applying changes for Hyper-V installation. Now Windows completed the required changes for Hyper-V installation. Click here on Close. Open Hyper-V Manager from Windows search bar. We have successfully installed Hyper-V on Windows 10 machine. Here is the Hyper-V wizard for manage and create virtual machines.